This is not just an election, this is a movement. Election 360 is here, your ultimate all-coverage platform for every vote, every voice, every hall. From the SRC race to hall executives, we are on grounds, live and unfiltered. Whether it's ATL, Kasi Hayford or Valco, we bring the result to you first.
No bias, no spin, just facts, figures, and fair coverage. All from UCC.
Powered by youth, driven by truth. Stay locked in, because when UCC decides, we are here. Election 360, every voice, every vote, everywhere.
Your vote is your voice. Your future, your power. Election 360 ensures it's heard, seen, and counted. Election 360.
Every vote, every voice, everywhere.